Hello students, welcome to the science class. Today I would like to discuss with you the subject called science. Okay, earlier we discussed about the mathematics. Now today I am going to discuss with you science. Okay, very first of all we will go with what is meant by science, then what are the streams of science, then we will move with the what particular stream of the science. Okay, for the academic session 2021-22 I am going to take your physics stream. Okay, so there I will deal with the what physics. So all the 5 chapters I will deal the physics. Okay, and the madam will deal with the chemistry and the biology. Well students, now very first of all we will go with the science. So what is mean by science? So you know it very well, around us, okay, the many things are going on. Okay, so the day, night, so you know it very well, the bright light. Okay, so many things are what around us going on. So this is what you know it very well, very important things for us. If you want to live on this earth, means these all the things are very important to us. Okay, so here we are discussing now the science. So what is meant by science? Since from the what 9 years you are studying the what science, obviously you know the definition of science. Anyhow I will give one more time the definition of the what science. Okay, we can say science is a systematic study of nature and natural things around us. Okay, so one more time I will repeat, science is about systematic study of nature and natural things around us. Okay, let me write here, science is a systematic, science is about systematic study of nature and natural things. Okay, natural things around us, isn't it? See, science is a systematic, the each and every part of the science we will study very systematically, one by one, step by step we will study. So science is a systematic study of nature. Okay, of nature. So you know it very well, we are living, all the peoples we are living in the what nature. So it is a systematic study of the nature and natural things. Okay, what kind of natural things around us happening, that we will study here in the what science. Okay, so if we have the what science, means is it only one thing is there in the science? No. Okay, we have what many things. This science we can divide into what 3 parts. First one we have, according to your textbook, we have the what we can say chemistry. You have first part. Okay, in your textbook you have chemistry. So second you have biology. Okay, third you have physics, isn't it? The last part in your textbook you have the word physics. So just you can see what are the main streams of science, means we can say first one we have chemistry, second one we have biology, third one we have physics. Okay, and dear students, you know it very well, I am going to deal with the what physics. Okay, so the chemistry and the biology will be handled by the what ma'am, and I will going to deal with the physics. Okay, so I will come to the my point, that is physics. So let me rub this one. So physics, these are the what main streams of science. Okay, chemistry, biology and the physics. Now physics. So what do you mean by, again we'll come to the point, that is physics. So what is meant by physics? So you know it very well, the light. Okay, so the light, the phenomena called what light, refraction and many things. Okay, and the rainbow formation, these all things will come under the what physics. Okay, so what is meant by the what physics? So physics is what? Systematic study of nature and its what? Phenomena. Nature and its phenomena. Phenomena in the sense of what? We can say that what? Changes. What kind of changes happening in the what? Our nature. Okay. Now we have the what? Little bit of what? Here we can say sun rays. After 1 hour we will get little bit of what? Rain. Okay. So like this the situation, okay, the climate is changing, okay. So these kinds of things we will be studying the what here? Physics, okay. Now the physics is nothing but what? It is a systematic study of nature and its phenomena, okay. Nature and its phenomena. Change is phenomena in the sense of what? Phenomenon, okay. Nature and its phenomenon. A systematic study of nature and its phenomenon. These things we will be studying the what? Physics, okay. So I'll come to the your point. Class 10 physics, okay. So you have 4 main chapters here. First chapter you have what? Electricity, then again you have light, then you have human eye and the colorful world, and the last one you have the what? Magnetic field of electric currents, okay. These are the what? Very important chapters which I'll deal here in this 10th class, okay. So you know it very well. So first chapter for your syllabus you have electricity, okay. I am going to start with the what? Electricity. So physics is nothing but what? A systematic study of nature and its phenomena, okay. For your 10th class, the first chapter we have electricity. Now I'll come to the point, electricity. See, now electricity. Like we have our city, so here in the physics also we have one electricity, okay, electricity. So what do you mean by the word electricity? You know it very well, the word, the whatever we are living in this world, the word is going on the what? Electricity itself. Without electricity we cannot be what? Do anything else, okay. We can't do anything, okay. So here we can say that what? For our each and every point we need the what? Electricity. So if you are living in this world means what? If you want to what? Move somewhere, you need what? Electricity. If you want to what? Live somewhere, you need the what? Electricity. Each and every point of our life is based on the what? Electricity, isn't it? So what is meant by this electricity, isn't it? So electricity is nothing but what? We can say it is a what? Simply there is a definition, okay. We can say it is a systematic, okay, systematic study of charges, systematic study of charges, isn't it? It is a systematic study of charges. Now again we will come to the point, what is meant by charge, okay. So later on we will discuss about the what? Charge, okay. So just to see the definition of electricity is what here? The systematic study of charges. Either the charge may be what? Static, or you can say the what? Stationary charge, or you can say that what? Moving charge. So together we will be studying the what? Here in the electricity. So the higher version of this electricity chapter you will get in the PUC sections. So you have very basic concept for the 10th class here, isn't it? So electricity, systematic study of charges, either the stationary charge, or you can say that what? Moving charge. Well, now see, the more about the charges we will study in the next class, isn't it? Now I'll come to the point, if you have the word charge, electricity means, so types of electricity. So what are the types we have in the electricity? So we have, see, 2 types in the electricity. First one we can say static. We have static electricity, Second one, we have motion, or you can say current electricity. Current electricity. We have one more is current electricity. So first one, in the electricity we have static electricity, second one we have current electricity. I'll come to the point what is meant by this static electricity and what is meant by this current electricity. Okay, still I'm not comes to the your point, that is for your syllabus which electricity is there, whether it is a static or whether it is a current. I'll come to the your point itself. Okay, one by one I'll explain. Now I'll come to the point, static electricity. Once we can say that what, charges are in rest. Okay, once the what, it is a study of charges which are in rest. Okay, it is a study of charges. I'll write here, study of charges, definitely study of charges, okay, which are in rest, isn't it? This is also what the static electricity is, also what we can say study of charges. What kind of charges we can say, which are in rest. Okay, the charges are in the what, rest. So this kind of electricity we can say static electricity. Well, now what do you mean by the what, current electricity we can say. So I'll come to the point, current electricity. This is also what, study of charges, which are in motion, which are in the what, motion, or you can say moving. Study of moving charges, isn't it? See, just you can see, dear students, what is the difference between static electricity and the current electricity. If you have the what, electricity, we have two types in the electricity. First one is what, static electricity, second one we have current electricity. So what is mean by electricity means, it is a systematic study of what, charges. You know it very well. Well, now static electricity means it is a study of charges which are in rest. So I'll tell this what is meant by charge in the next thing I'll tell. Okay, study of charges which are in the what, rest. So totally the charges are in the what, rest. If you are studying about the charges which are in the rest means that is what, static electricity. If you are studying the what, charges which are moving, okay, which are charges are what, moving means that kind of electricity is nothing but what we can say current electricity. Now I'll come to the your point, class 10th physics electricity. So it is which kind of electricity chapter they are given to you. Okay, so I can say that what, the chapter which is given by the what, the government, which is given in your textbook, that chapter is based on the what, current electricity, the charges which are in the what, moving. Okay, for your syllabus current electricity it is there, not a static electricity. Okay, so only they are mentioned the what, chapter name as what, electricity, but which kind of electricity it is about current electricity they are given to you. Okay, well, we will study that chapter. Yes, well, now very first of all I need to discuss with you, as I told you that what, I'll discuss with you charge. So charge, what is meant by charge? Okay, I'll come to the point, charge. Charge is nothing but what, a fundamental particle of the what, atom. Okay, we know that very well. If around us many materials are there, so many materials are there means every particle is made up of the what, matter. You know it very well. Okay, if matter is there means atom is there, isn't it? So we can say charge is a fundamental particle of an atom, isn't it? So charge is an fundamental fundamental particle of an atom, fundamental particle of an atom. You know it very well. So materials are there around us, means each and every material is made up of the what? Matter. You know it very well. Matter is there means we have atom. So atom is there means, again we'll come to this point. Charge is a fundamental particle of an atom, we can say. Okay. Now, so we'll study more about these charges, isn't it? This is what we can say, the charge is a fundamental particle of an atom. Now, how we can denote this charge? Okay, denote. Okay, so we can denote this charge as a what? We can say capital Q. Okay, we'll come to the point, capital Q. We can denote this charge by the what? Capital Q. Okay, well, now what are these types of charges? Okay, we'll come to the point, types of charges. So first one we have positive charge. Okay, positive. Second one we have negative. Okay, so what are the types of these charges? Means we can say that what? First one we have the what? Positive charge. Second one we have negative charge. Well, okay, so this is regarding the what? How we can denote the charge and what are the types of charges. We have some properties of this charge. Well, so what kind of properties we have in the charge? Okay, so let me write one by one. This is charge. Let me rub this one and write here. Okay, now what are the properties of charge? See, properties of charge. Properties of charge. Okay, so now properties of charge. So first property, okay, like charges. Okay, like charges, it is like what? Similarly like what? You can say magnet. Okay, if you have two magnets, you can take two bar magnets. So there we have north and the south poles. Okay, if you brought what? Both north and north pole, is it attract each other or repel each other? You know it very well. Once you brought the two, both are the what? North and the north, this will what? Repel each other. If you what? Opposite sides, in the sense of what? One is south, one more is north. If you brought each other, so this will what? Attract each other. Here also same. If you have what here? Like charges. Okay, like charges repel each other. Like charges are what? Repel each other. Now I'll come to the second point. This is the first property. Like charges are repel each other. If you have positive and positive, this will be repel each other. If you have negative and negative, this will be what? Repel each other. Okay, now we have unlike charges attract each other. Unlike charges attract each other. Unlike charges, you can take the what? Positive and the negative charge. These will be what? Attract each other. Okay, next, charge is a scalar quantity. Charge is what? We can say scalar quantity. Okay, we can say charge is a scalar quantity which has only magnitude. Okay, it doesn't have the what? Direction. Well, charge is a scalar quantity. Now fourth property, we can say charge is transferable. Charge is what? Transferable. So from one body to what? Another body, we can transfer the charge. You know it very well. If you have seen the what? One wire. isn't it? Through that wire there is a flow of current. I'll explain what is meant by current and this flow of charge means everything. I'll explain, okay, in the next thing. That only I'm going to explain now. Before there we need to study this small concept. Now I'll explain what is meant by flow of charge. Okay, so if you have the what, one wire, through that wire there is a flow of charges. Okay, so we can say charge is flow from one body to another body. Charge is transferable. Okay, so fourth property, charge is a transferable. Okay, transferable. Charge is transferable, isn't it? So these are the what main four properties of charges. Properties of charges. First one we have like charges repel each other. If you brought negative negative or positive positive, you have two types of charges. One is positive, second one is what, negative, isn't it? If you brought near to each other, negative negative or positive positive, okay, these will always repel each other. Okay, next, unlike charges attract each other. Negative positive or positive negative, these will what we can say, unlike charges what, attract each other. Okay, charge is a scalar quantity. Charge is what only has a magnitude, it doesn't has a direction. So charge we can say it is only a scalar quantity. Okay, now charge is a transferable from one body to what, another body. Charge it we can transfer from one body to the what, another body. So you know it very well how we can denote the charge. We can denote by the word charge as a what, you know it very well, capital Q. Okay, so what is the SI unit of what, charge? What is the SI unit of the charge? So we can say the SI unit, okay, SI unit of charge is coulomb. Okay, C, or you can say COLOUMB, coulomb. Okay, so capital C, COLOUMB, coulomb. Okay, so we can say the SI unit of charge is what, coulomb. So 1 coulomb, or you can say 1 coulomb is equal to how many electrons? So 1 coulomb is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. 10 to the power 18 electrons. 1 coulomb is equal to, we can say, 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. So this is what regarding the what, physics. In that I am going to discussing with the what, electricity. What is meant by electricity, what are the streams of electricity, and what is mean by charge, what are the again streams of charge. So properties of charge, SI unit of charge, and 1 coulomb is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. Okay, so these all concepts are very basic concepts. So I hope you understood these concepts. Okay, and I'll move with the what, next concept, that is current. Okay, so we'll study that current into the what, next class. Well.